How you doing? This is George at Wicked Warnings. We're showing you a quick video here of this 2021 Ford Super Duty. What you're looking at in front is our auto flasher kit on the DRL headlights. That's a no-cut install. We've got our Lin 8 in the grille. We've also got an auto flasher kit on the white mirror lights, as well as the 5 cab clearance lights. Here you can see those mirror lights a little bit clearer. You might also notice we've got a Thin X in the side badge there, as well as the same Lin 8 that we have in the grille, featured underneath the rear taillight. All right, straight up side shot, you can see we've got amber and white selected on the majority of these lights. There is some flood mode also engaged in this truck, but I'm going to save that for the full, longer video. There's a back angle shot. You can see we're running an auto flasher kit on our cargo light, as well as another auto flasher kit, wig wagging. That's right, wig wagging, left, right, those reverse lights. Those are factory LED reverse lights. Out back, we also have our Thin X strip mounted underneath the tailgate. It's an amber white combination, but it'll do either color. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. This is our new video format. If you like it short and simple and sweet, drop a comment and let me know. If you want longer, in-depth videos, check out the link right here to the other video that goes over everything in this job. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.